Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Microsoft Power BI is a powerful business analytics tool that enables data analysts to transform raw data into insightful visualizations and create simple to complex reports. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Power BI on your computer. Let's go. To get started with Microsoft Power BI, you'll first need to download and install Power BI Desktop on your computer. You can click the tag in top right corner of the screen or find the download link below. Before downloading, make sure to choose the correct version, 32-bit or 64-bit, to ensure compatibility with your operating system. Once downloaded, simply run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. Once you've installed Power BI Desktop, launch it and create a new blank report. Next, you need to connect to your desired data source, which could be an Excel file, a SQL Server database, or another compatible source. Before loading the data, you can use Power Query Editor to clean and transform it. This includes removing unnecessary columns, formatting data types, renaming columns, and adding new columns as needed. Once your data is clean and ready, click Close and Apply to proceed to the data visualization stage. To ensure accurate calculations and effective visualizations in Power BI, it's important to establish relationships between related tables in your data model. Navigate to the Model view, where you can either let Power BI automatically detect relationships based on foreign key constraints, or manually create them by dragging and dropping matching keys from one table to another. Repeat this process until all relevant tables are connected for seamless data analysis and reporting. Finally, switch to the Report view to begin creating your data visualizations. Here you'll have access to a wide range of visual options, from simple bar charts to complex maps and more. Once you've selected a visual, use the Data panel to assign appropriate fields to its axes and legends. Remember, the choice of visualizations should be tailored to your specific audience and the insights you want to convey. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.